What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We are in a big box store today, and we're going to be rebuilding the inside of this tank. We're going to change out the fill valve. We're going to change the flapper, and we're also going to put a new handle on because obviously that's not working. We are going to be installing this dull valve. It's a retrofit shutoff, and the handle's broken on this one, so we closed it up with the pliers, our Knipex pliers, sorry. Just trying to get a little bit better view there, right there. So we took this off. This should be a 5/8 wrench, but we used our Knipex pliers. We just screw this dull valve right on, using our pliers to tighten it up. Close that, and then we can open this back up. Then we won't need to worry about a handle any longer. Perfect. We're going to undo this fill valve. Let's see if I can get you guys a better view. So we undo this nut right there, and then that fill valve will pop out. Couple turns, it comes right off. Now just try to find a good place for you guys to sit. Okay, 1 second. This is where I wish I would have had my tripod, but I do not. One second. Okay, there we go. So we're going to continue to undo that bolt, or the nut, sorry, on the bottom of this fill valve. Pull this off. Wow. My cameraman is not really being cooperative today. So I am draining that water. We do have a floor drain in this bathroom. Alright, so the new fill valve goes in, the new nut is going on. We will raise it to the proper or appropriate level in a minute. These fill valves we use are made by Fluid Master. the hose back on. Bear with me. Do up the bottom of the hose or supply line. Right. I am going to put a hose on there, don't worry. So pull that up just to stop the water. Hook that off. I'll see the level we're sitting at when the tank fills. So, look at that. See the part of the handle. So with these flappers, right, they just push down over the little arms of the fill tube. And the flapper that I'm going to be putting on is, I believe it's made by Hornet, the Hornet X by Brass Craft. So these ones actually have holes, right? Same thing though, push it over the little arm. And now that's going to fill up, and then we'll change out that handle. Now I'm going to move you guys for a second. Why they put these gloves on here? Just trying to get a better spot for you guys to sit. I think we're good like that. So with toilet handles, the thread is actually reversed of normal. So instead of righty tighty, lefty loosey, it's righty loosey, lefty tighty. Alright. Did I bring 2 pairs of pliers? No. Why would I have done that? Oh, okay. It popped right off. Easy. So you guys can see the water levels way down here. We're going to bring it right up almost to the top of the fill tube. So there is a white sleeve. If you're doing this and the water is still on, always keep your hand on top of the fill valve. We pull the sleeve up, but make sure, like you can see, like it's wanting to jump up because of the water pressure. All right? So always hold it, and then you're gonna pull that sleeve back down. Make sure it's locked into place. Sorry about that. All right, now we can raise or lower this float. We'll see where it sits when that fills up now. So these are the, it's like a universal, fits everything for the most part. Toilet handle, you can adjust it so many different ways. It's made by Fluid Master as well. These are the ones I like to use. So you can see that shut off right there. I'm gonna probably lower it just a little bit more. We're in a big box store, so if it does ever fail, the there's a floor drain right beside us, like I said before. So it's not like it's going to flood the place, and honestly, we're in the tire center anyway. All right, so with these, okay, so that's shut off just at the bottom of this white little cap here. So we're good there. Now, with these handles, right, we pull this off. So you can pull, of course. So you can pull that off, right? That's gonna go in like that. But first things first, we're gonna undo this, right? Remember, righty loosey, lefty tighty. On this little inside here, you can see that it says top. I don't know if you guys can read that. So that's gonna sit up like that. Go like that. Then we're gonna tighten that up. It always feels weird when you're adjusting these because you're so used to righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? Well, that's that. So now this handle will push right on there, but it's going to lock into this. So now this will adjust, right? So you can turn it like that. So you can change the direction that the handle is going out. So I'm thinking that's probably good. Maybe something like that, right? So we're gonna push that in. We're gonna have it sit in the right spot. And we're gonna have this. We're gonna push that in. Okay. Now we're gonna grab our chain. So it does have this button here. You can push it and you can actually shorten that up. But I'm thinking I'm gonna move it just a little bit down. And then we're gonna shorten up this chain. Maybe something like that. Alright, and then we'll see when it fills up where we're at. And this has been my cameraman today, a garbage can. I need to get my tripod back or get a new one. And that flapper will stay up until the water drops. Perfect. All right, guys, I want to thank you. As you guys can see, I'm sweating. It's extremely hot in this bathroom. But everything is looking good. We're just going to throw the tank on, and then we will flush it one more time to make sure everything flushes with the tank lid on. And then we're going to say thanks for watching. So give us 1 minute here. Alright, so now we'll just wait for that to fill up, and you can tell when that water stops running there you go, and you can hear it shut off. Awesome. I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. If you guys liked all, or you liked what I did there, and go check them out. Great company. They're not sponsored. If you guys want to sponsor or send me some stuff, I'll definitely use it. You guys use it all the time. Same thing with Fluid Master. I love Fluid Master. So, guys, thanks for watching. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.